welcome back to my channel. I am very clearly in a different location. I am at my parents' house right now. I'm back in my hometown and I did a bit of shopping, so I figured I may as well film a haul while it's all fresh in my memory. We're going to talk about two places today, as always, our favorite Kmart, and I also went to Aldi because they had some really cool camping specials on this weekend, which will show you how delayed my uploading is. But anyway, that's fine. Just a quick reminder, if you enjoy the video while you're watching, please leave it a like. It really helps me a lot, or leave a comment down below so we can chat. I love chatting with you guys about all my Kmart goodies. And if you do enjoy Kmart things, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of Kmart content and DIYs, hauls, all the things. So please consider joining my little family here on YouTube. I would love to have you. With that being said, let's jump straight into the haul. I will leave everything linked down below, or similar things if I can't link the exact thing, and let's just jump straight into it. The first thing that I grabbed, I cannot show you because I am filming with it right now. It is this little tripod. It's called the vlogging kit. They have come out with a new version of this, which is the one that I would have preferred, but it wasn't in stores yet because it's so new. But basically, this is what the one you guys are on looks like, and the new one is just a straight line instead of this weird arm that comes out to the side. So this is what I grabbed. This was on clearance. I wouldn't have got it otherwise. And I'm filming on it, so I can't show it to you, but this is the box. And this is the microphone that I can't plug in because it only has these cords, and Apple took away our headphone jack, so can't use the microphone unless I get my adapter, which I did not bring with me. So that's that. On to the decor things. So I got 1, 2, 4 kind of decor things. The first one is this, which I thought, when I first saw it, I thought maybe they were movable, but they are not. It is called the triple loop knot. So these I've been seeing kind of everywhere at the moment. They're just a decor piece. There's not really much else you could do with them. I thought that maybe I could spray paint these. Yeah, it's just a cute piece of decor. That's all there really is to say about that. I also grabbed this adorable book. It is called Dogs Love Dogs. It is full of adorable pictures of dogs and puppies and all sorts of things. And then they have motivational, inspirational quotes to go with it, or funny little quirky things. Like this one says, there can never be too much kissing, which is damn true. Doggy kisses are the best. And then this one says, cultivate enthusiasm for life's little moments. So that's a cute little book. It's like a decorative book that's also cute to just flip through, and it looks nice from the side if you wanted to stack books up. So decor slash reading slash inspiration book. Third one is kind of decor, kind of organization, office stuff. So it is this 2-pack of memo boards. You get one whiteboard and one pin board. I thought they were really cute, and this little picture here is kind of what sold me. They look really nice. Nice together just on the wall. It's not really the frame that I would use, but mix and matching frames always looks nice as well. But anyway, so you get the whiteboard, you get a little thingy, and then obviously the pin board is behind. So that's that. There's not much to say about that. They're just regular boards of various types. They are 30.5 centimeters square in the square. Yeah. So that is that. The final decor thing I got is this. This is one of their 2 different fake pampas grass. Yeah, this is the pink one. They also have a yellowy kind of one, which is probably more the natural color. My thoughts behind this are I want to kind of take it apart and see what I can do with it and put it in a smaller vase, because it's got a really long stem, and the stem I think is what makes it look tacky, because these bits don't actually look too bad. It's just this that looks horrendous and very, very fake. So there was one on here that was already pulled out. That's not what I meant, but that'll do. So I'm thinking of just kind of taking them all apart and doing something else with it. I cannot speak today. It's been a day. But yeah, so gonna take it apart, gonna do something cool with it. I prefer this color than the yellowy kind of beige color that they have, and these are, I believe they're $6. So yeah, I haven't been saying prices of everything, but everything will be linked down below, as I said earlier. Now, the last thing from Kmart may or may not work. Our Costco bin that I absolutely love recently died on us. It was one of the like motion sensor ones, so you never had to touch it. It just opened and closed and it was great. But that died on us recently. So I grabbed this, which is the pull-out sink. Oh, it's under the sink. That's why I said sink. It's basically just pull-out bins. We have one cupboard in the kitchen that is just kind of weird, and we just put stuff in there because it doesn't have shelves, it's nothing. So I'm hoping that this fits in it. We've got the measurements, but obviously because I am not at my home, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'm hoping it fits perfectly and we have no issues, but we will see when I get home. I wasn't sure whether to pick it up or not, because I walked past it about 3 times and just left it, and then I realized that because I was assuming that you would have to screw it to each side of your cupboard, but you actually don't. It's got little feet that it sits on and just pulls out. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know whether, I feel like it might topple and like not slide very well, but anyway, we will see if it fits. And then after that, if it does fit, we will see if it's any good. Kai, Frost and I are interrupting to, yes, tell you that I have put the bin in. It successfully worked. You do have to screw it to the bottom of the cabinet though. Obviously. Which step is it? Step 3 on here tells you you have to screw it down. See, I knew that, they're playing. I knew that it would be like without like something heavy at the bottom. Turns out the heavy thing is screws into the cabinet, so. Okay, that's everything that I grabbed from Kmart this time around. I did grab a few things from Aldi. I've actually been twice today. I went right at 8:30 when they opened and grabbed some of the things that we really, really wanted. And then there was a couple of things that once I got home, I regretted not getting more of them. So I went back on my way down here to get some more of them. So I have some stuff that I can show you, other stuff that I will just talk about. The main thing that we went into Aldi for were these tent pegs. These are the screw-in tent pegs. They are just so much better than just regular little tent pegs. These are miles better. We have friends who have these who got them from Aldi at a previous sale. We used them once on a camping trip a while ago and Evan was in love. So we've been keeping an eye out. They came out with them, so I like fought the people off. It was horrible. Have you been to Aldi right as they open when there's specials and stuff on? It was not fun. A guy hit me with a fridge like in the back and just like ran off and didn't say. It was a whole thing. It was not a fun time. I wouldn't do it again in a rush unless we like really wanted something. These are something that we really want. We have not bought them elsewhere because we know that the Aldi ones are good because our friends have them and they can get really expensive. So these are $9.99 for a box of 15. We got a couple of boxes, and then this one I picked up when I went back the second time to get a box for our friends just so they have some more. So yeah, very long spiel about tent pegs, which based on the like rest of my channel, you're probably not that interested in. But I'm really excited about this stuff because it makes our camping life easier. So I also grabbed some canvas bags. Now I only have one of the types here because I couldn't get any more of the other one, which I really wanted to, but I couldn't. So that's a bit of a bummer. But this one is called the Canvas Clear Top Bag Large. So this one is about that big and it has the clear top, which I think is fantastic. I put all of my stuff that I'd bought into one of these when I left Aldi the first time, and it just filled up perfectly and it was really nice, and they feel pretty good quality. The zippers are pretty good. So yeah, these were $20 each, and they have like assorted types. The other one that we got is a bit smaller and it has a few pockets and things. I'll take some footage when I get home and like put it over my face right now. But the other one is smaller, it has more pockets, it doesn't have the clear top, but I was a bit disappointed I couldn't find any more of those because they were really good size too. And then they also had a really big, like long pillow. It was called the pillow bag or something like that. I didn't get that one because it just seemed excessively big and it would just get really heavy when you fit. Anyway, we didn't get that one. We got these two ones and I think they're gonna be great. So that clear top one, we now have 4 of them. And then the small one, we just have the one because I was stupid and I only bought one the first time. I should have bought more. I knew it as I was walking to the register and I was like, no, it's fine. Trust your gut, okay? Trust your gut. Interrupting again. This is the other canvas bag. It has the like solid lid and then pocket and a pocket and a pocket, pockets everywhere. And it's like this big. So this is the one I wish we got more of and we only have this one and then the other one we have 4 of, so. And then I also got a 4-pack of these tumblers. They are acrylic and the idea behind these was that I can take them outside when we have people over and not have to worry about breaking glass because that has happened before. So acrylic tumblers, yeah, that's it. Back to regular scheduled programming. One more thing I got that I don't have is a women's jacket. It was, they called it 3-in-1, so it had like, you would wear it as like the jacket and then it had like a fleece zip up jumper sort of thing on the inside. So you would have the jumper by itself, the jacket by itself, and then the third option is both of them together. So it's really warm and like waterproof and stuff. It is gorgeous. It's purple, but not like bright, hideous, ugly purple. It's kind of like a darker purple. I really liked it. Out of the 2 options, there was that option or there was a really ugly blue. I didn't like the blue, so I got the purple one. But I do not have it here, so I will have already put footage up of what it looks like, but that is a jacket that I got. And yeah, I got it. And the final thing is this giant quilt thing. So it's a travel camp quilt. So it basically zips up into this, but it folds out and has, you've got your pillows and it's a quilt. Not much else you can say about that, but there was a lady who was there looking at these as I was looking at them, and she said that she's had one from like a previous sale and that they were phenomenal and she loved them. I don't know what it is about like my face or my demeanor, but women just seem to stop and tell me when things are great, which is lovely. We should have more like women chatting to each other out in public. It was very nice actually. I've run into a few lovely people amongst all the horrible, horrible people. But anyway, that lady told me that these are fantastic, so I grabbed one. And yeah, it's just pretty cool. Like, it's anything that folds down and zips up and is like compact, I think is really nifty and makes me happy. So we got this. It was me. Evan had no say in it. I just got it. Anyway, I'm excited about it, and obviously I got the grey one. There was other colours, but I grabbed the last grey one because I'm not about colour other than my purple jacket. And that's everything. A bit of a random one, throwing those Aldi things in there, but I know you're all here for the Kmart stuff anyway. You probably already clicked off the video if you were here for the Kmart stuff. But thank you for sticking around with me. If you did make it to this part of the video, leave a comment down below and let me know, because you guys are like my ride or dies. And that's it. That's all I've got for you today. As I said earlier, please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this kind of content, and I will see you guys very soon. I'll see you very soon with another video. Thanks guys, bye.